morning, sir and madam. I'm Irish Aitan. I'm 26 years old. I'm a separated woman. I have 2 kids. I'm a high school graduate. My job experience is UAE as a DH. My duties are cleaning, cooking, ironing, and marketing.
So how many members of the family did you serve?
7 members, sir and madam. 4 adults and 3 children.
How big is their house and how many rooms?
Bungalow type. They have 4 rooms, 1 sala, 1 guest room, and 3 toilets.
Other than you, do they have other maid in your employer's house?
No, sir.
Did you sleep together with the children at night?
No, sir.
If your employer's children are naughty, how will you handle it?
I will be patient to them and talk to them in a nice way.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
I promise to them I will do my job in a nice way, and I will finish my contract, and I will be lazy. Thank you.